guys? Welcome back to Patched.
Welcome back. We got a big one for you guys today. This is our top 5 light mice. And now we had a little talk, we had a little chat, and we discussed which ones are our favorite. So this is coming from both of us.
Yes.
As a collective.
And the criteria is that the mouse has to be lighter than 70 grams.
Yep.
You know, we thought that was a pretty good cutoff, you know? So, yeah, I mean, light mice, that's a new trend. And I honestly, I really like light mice. It's not a huge deal. Like 5-10 grams isn't a huge deal to me. I can obviously get used to the mouse. But I also don't really like playing with super heavy mice, you know what I'm saying?
For sure.
Our top 5, let's get it started off with number 5.
So, number 5, we've got the Cooler Master MM710.
The Cooler Master Master Mouse.
The Cooler Master Master Mouse 710.
MM710. No, I'm just kidding.
And we call it.
Alright, so it's coming in at 64, but the cord is hanging off, so...
The cord is hanging way off, so it's 52 grams.
52, yeah, 64, oh my goodness, alright. Yeah, 52 grams, and a super light mouse, and incredible shape. I love this shape, especially for fingertip grip. And it's pretty short, so like when I fingertip grip, it really never hits the palm of my hand.
Yeah, this is one of those mouse that we just feel like had so much potential, but was just burdened and weighed down by those build quality issues. I mean, with the sidewall flex, and the rattling. And
then the mouse 1 and 2 buttons, it wobbles a lot too. So, but it's $50. It's pretty cheap.
$50,
but
it's nice. It's light. It's 52 grams, and it feels really good.
It's
but
just the build quality.
That build quality.
That's why it's at number 5.
Yep, that's why we put it in number 5.
All right, moving on to number 4 is the Endgame Gear XM1. And this came out of nowhere. I believe this is 70 or 80 bucks. I was like, I'm not really expecting too much, but it's really nice. I love this mouse. There are some things that they can improve on, but as far as the weight goes, barely makes the cut. At like 70 grams. You know, the skates are very nice.
Skates are very thin too.
Yeah,
one of those things we mentioned in the video.
Yes.
Thin skates, but just it's weird. It's like a strange shape that we haven't really seen before. But it's nice.
It reminds me a little bit of the XM1 and the S2, where like it has a pretty sharp curve down here, but it's still a really nice shape and very low profile. Very nice mouse. Very nice. Made the cutoff. All right, moving on to number 3 is the Modelo Minus.
Oh yeah.
Modelo Minus. Love this mouse. $50. Still one of the cheapest mice on this list, and you get the RGB is incredible. You know, the skates are very fast, very light.
Build quality is good as always, you know?
Yes, besides the sidewall, but I kind of still notice that a lot.
Yeah.
But other than that, I really like this mouse.
Yeah, yes. I mean, super light. Weighs in at 58 grams for the matte finish, and then 59 for the glossy finish.
Yeah, totally. It's kind of hard to weigh these, because like the cords are hanging off, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, moving on to number 2 is the Ultralight 2.
Ultralight 2, baby.
Yes.
Yeah, this one was just, it feels so good. It's $120 and you can't get it at all anywhere.
Yeah.
But it feels nice. It's super small. The glides are like
very fast.
Some of the best.
Look at that.
I mean,
Look at
that.
Yeah.
Look at that thing go.
Yes.
Across there. The cord's good. Glides are good. The build quality is amazing.
And the clicks. Mouse 1 and 2 clicks are my favorite. I love it. One of my favorite. Yeah. Out of any mice.
Those are real good. Scrolls. It just the whole thing just screams quality. So $120. You get your $120 worth of build quality here.
And this is what, like 52 grams?
This was supposed to be like 47 grams.
But they lied about it. We always get like 52.
We 51. Yeah. You know, I don't think we've ever weighed this and gotten 47 grams.
Under 50 grams.
But honestly, the weight's still impressive. Regardless of all our talking here, the weight's impressive, and you got the infinity skins with it, which
we're not even gonna mention that anymore. All right.
Yeah.
It works. It works, but I don't use it.
They exist.
Yes. Exactly. All right. Number 1. Geo's Hottie. New mouse that just came out, and I love it. It's incredible. The shape is so nice. It comes in at 60 grams, and they didn't lie about it. And it's just my favorite mouse.
Yeah, we weigh this every single time we weigh it. It comes out exactly 60 grams on the dot. It feels nice. The cord is amazing. The glides on there.
It
comes with stock mouse feet, 2 extra sets of stock mouse feet, and then 2 sets of pure PTFE mouse feet, which feels so good. So you got so much variety, and it also comes with rubber side grips and rubber grips for the mouse 1 and 2, which is just it's insane.
Yes.
The clicks beat out the clicks on the Ultralight 2. It's 60 grams. It
I don't
just
know if it
feels
beats
so
out
good.
in my opinion. I really like both of them. I'd say I kind of tied up. Oh, dude, like it feels a little bit lighter. It's so weird. You know, like when I do these two, the Marlo Minus feels lighter. But then when I do these two, it's just like the clicks are like a little bit heavier on the Ultralight 2. It feels a little bit like this the bounce back or the spring back.
Fair.
That's very interesting. But anyways, yeah. But Hottie's still incredible.
Yeah.
And everything that it comes with for $70 is an incredible
It's
deal.
such a good deal, such a good mouse, and it's so versatile.
Mm-hmm.
It's good for any grip style. You can palm it, fingertip, anything, and it's just from small to large hands. You're gonna love this mouse for sure. So we give it 5 thick boy stars on the rating system.
Yes, thick boy stars. Yes, that's our rating system now. So anyways, tell us if you agree with our top 5 light mice. Obviously, this is it's facts. If you think otherwise, you're wrong.
Yeah, has to
we're
be.
just kidding. We're kidding.
No, it's totally opinion based.
So tell us your top 3 down in the comment section below. If you guys have top 3. Top 5 would be too much. Top 3 down in the comment section below. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, again, if you guys want to get any of these mice, we'll try to leave links below. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
See you in the next one.